we're going to show you how to do a facial steam. Right now I have a volunteer who's going to help me. So here's what you need. You need a bowl. I have just boiled this water, so we're going to fill up our bowl with the water. Very carefully. Okay. You're going to need a towel and probably a face cloth as well. So I've just talked to Sarah for a couple of minutes, and we've decided on 3 different essential oils that we're going to put into this. So we're going to have 2 drops of lavender, 2 drops of petitgrain, and 1 drop of geranium. Now you'll notice that she's got her hair tied back. That's always a good plan, and she'll appreciate it in just a second here. So Sarah, you're going to get under the, put your, just yeah, like that, except that. Okay, so you want to keep your face 12 inches away, approximately 10 to 12 inches away. The reason for that is safety. You don't want to burn, scald your face. So you're going to make a tent. Just go under. How's it going in there? Pretty steamy?
Yeah.
So she's created herself a steam tent. And Sarah's going to enjoy that lovely steam tent for between 5 to 10 minutes. So we're going to come back in 5 to 10 minutes. All right, so I'm going to help you out here. Take that off. Now you're probably going to want to make use of the face cloth and just pat. So right now, what has happened is that her pores have opened very nicely, and she's now ready to proceed with the next step of the facial. The other thing you can do with a facial is you can treat acne. You can treat, if you have a cold or a chest, cold and flu, whatever's going around, whatever oils you put in there, you can breathe into your lungs, and it can help you with that as well. So it's more than just for beauty. Thank you, Sarah, for helping me. I really appreciate that.
Thank you for having me.
You're welcome. Okay.